Hi, I'm Brandon Feister, and I'm currently taking English 307 for the fall 2018 semester at the University of Arizona. The primary purpose of the English 307 class is to teach students to understand the concepts associated with business writing. Throughout the class, I completed three major projects that each encompass different business writing techniques. Throughout this video, I'll first talk briefly about myself and mention my future aspirations. And then after that, I'll describe two separate projects that used the business writing techniques mentioned previously. So a little bit about myself. I'm currently an active duty U.S. Air Force meteorologist, meaning I'm a weather guy for the U.S. Air Force. I'm looking to eventually accept a position as an on-air broadcast meteorologist, similar to those that you see on TV after graduating from the University of Arizona and then completing my current military enlistment. English 307 taught me numerous concepts that I hope to make myself a leading candidate for a position similar to this in the future. Some examples of these techniques included creating a professional resume, completing a 30-page group report project that discussed a global business expansion, and then the communication problems that might arise from dealing with people who come from a different background than yourself and those who speak a different language than yourself. And then finally creating my own professional portfolio website. The first project I'd like to discuss with you is the group report, specifically page 17, the tip sheet. So here you see the first page of that large group report. You see that we started with a cover letter, and then moving down we have the title page, the executive summary, an acknowledgement section, a detailed table of contents to state the page number as well as all the different sections being hyperlinked, an introduction, a background, an official problem statement, methods of research that we used to encompass the technology and things of that nature that we use to get the information, and then the different main topics associated with the project for writing, speaking, helping the patients visualize. And then, as you see here as well, the true benefits of mobile clinics versus trips to the ER, that was a key point as well, followed by a detailed conclusion, some references, and then here is page 17, that tip sheet that I wanted to focus on, because the tip sheet, it really helps us learn one of the major student learning objectives for the class called design strategies. And as you can see here on this page, as well as the page below, we incorporated pictures to help with the questions. So we made this into a frequently asked questions sheet that we felt would help alleviate some potential confusion, especially early on, by our employees for the company that were out in the field. So we tried to, again, incorporate the pictures to the questions or to the answers to those questions so that they can both read the answer and then see the answer as well, or see an example of what the answer may be associated with. So that's why I wanted to focus on this tip sheet. So you saw the first page, questions with pictures. You see here the second page, questions with pictures as well. Some of these are generic, but they do work very well with the project that we faced. I would like to emphasize that this group project was completed by myself as well as 6 other classmates. And I just want to say I'm very fortunate to be able to work with them. I will work with them all again in a heartbeat. They were outstanding. Thank you all again. So as you can see, the second visual that I chose to present is my digital professional resume. This document was one piece of project number 1, which was a job application packet, and this consisted of a frequently asked question list, a letter of recommendation request memo, a printed and digital resume, pictures to accompany the resume, as well as a cover letter. And I chose this digital resume because I believe that it fulfills the student learning objective of collaboration and accommodation, specifically the accommodation part. I feel that a proper resume is designed to stand out and be accommodating to a potential employer, listing exactly why you are the best person for the job. So as you can see, I feel that my related skills are right along with what is required for a job of this kind. I show my experience as a weather forecaster right front and center at the top, and then I show my education, having my Bachelor of Science degree, hopefully soon, in atmospheric sciences from the University of Arizona. And then I do go on to list my major accomplishments from here as well. This is why I chose my resume. I feel that I learned a lot by being able to write this correctly and professionally, and I feel that it does fulfill that student learning objective. So English 307 has included a lot of work, many deadlines, and many late nights completing my homework, but I feel I've learned a lot from this class. I look forward to using my newly acquainted skills to create professional resumes in the future, as well as websites, and even maybe some reports for my future endeavors. Thank you for taking the time to view this video.